Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with your March 2026 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month and includes 2 brand new collections. You receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. And when you're a subscriber, you get lots of freebies to go along with this. So you get access to a free cut file. These are exclusive to our members and designed by Cut to You. And this month is this awesome cut file that has the Polaroid frames, the little bow, the banner, and the title Celebrate. So you get a lot of great images in this month's cut file. You also have access to 2 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts designed by our design team, and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and then you'll have a color photograph to follow along with as well. So I know you're going to love creating with our design team. We also have lots of challenges over on the Facebook group and the blog, so jump in there. We have sketches, the Freaky Fast Friday, we have a Kill a Kit challenge. There's all kinds of things going on, so please join us and join in. This month our 2 collections are Nostalgic Memories from 49th and Market and You Are My Sunshine from Echo Park. So we have this beautiful vintage kind of heritage vibe collections from 49th, and then this bright sunshine summer collection from Echo Park. So let's dig right in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's kit. Starting with Nostalgic Memories from 49th and Market, you're going to get 2 sheets of almond cream and a sheet of cream puff. Now remember, due to supply issues and how early I film, sometimes the names of the cardstocks will change out, but you'll get similar colors. For your patterned paper, we have this paper called Forever, which is all of these roses. Super cute. Oh, missed a little embellishment. The back is just a collage of postcards. We have this paper called Cherish, which is typical background pages from 49th and Market, ready for your photos and journaling. I love all the lace added into this collection. And the back is another great background piece with the little doilies here and the roses. And then we have a typewriter paper. Well, man, I've just got embellishments hanging out everywhere. It's like the typewriter keys, super cute. This paper's called Family. Oh, there's another one. And the back is this canvas print with the roses. Full branding strips on all 3 of these. So one more look at your patterned paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get a variety of the laser cuts, the ephemera pieces, and the chipboard pieces. So all of the embellishments will vary among the kits. These here are chipboard pieces, and then these are part of the ephemera. And you can see the laser cuts are these really detailed cuts here. But super gorgeous. You'll get something similar to this. So that is Nostalgic Memories from 49th and Market. Our next collection is You Are My Sunshine from Echo Park. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of powder blue or a similar light blue. Your patterned paper is this floral print with all of the different colors in this collection. And the back is a tone-on-tone green, and that paper is called Sunshine Floral. And we have the beautiful little scattered hearts with the sunshine. The back is a yellow with little white stars. That paper is called I Heart the Sun. And then we have a cut apart sheet here with some 4x6, some tags, and then some of these smaller ones, and then long border strip as well. And the back is this fun stripe, again with all of the colors from this collection. And that is the multi-journaling cards paper. For your embellishments, everyone will receive the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have banners, a large sunshine for a title, and then lots of little phrases and words for subtitles, word labels. We have a scalloped cloud border, and this one that has the sun and the hearts and the cloud here. Super cute. So that is You Are My Sunshine from Echo Park. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store. If you want even more collections, then check out our Flavors of the Month because it has 4 collections as well as several add-ons. We also have the card kit. We have individual items in the store. Don't forget to download all your freebies as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.